Hi again, guys. So I'm still with my trades, about 350 pounds in profits. It appears that orders for the durable goods slumped about 5.2%, and uh, that's because of sharp declines in bookings for commercial and defense aircrafts. But minus the volatile transportation sector, it rose for a fifth straight month, which is actually good and positive sign um, for the US economy. And actually, the stripping the more volatile transportation sector, orders actually climbed 1.9%, which is the fastest rate in more than a year, according to the Commerce Department data. Uh, for orders for machinery were the ones that raised strongest, and they climbed 13.5%. And what else? The demand for autos was flat, and the bookings for computers fell. Anyways, overall good report. So we might be expecting some more price action. As you can see, we're about 300 pounds up. Let's see where this report is going to take us overall. Eurodollar, not much change, just a bit of volatility here. And £300. I'll probably be thinking of adding a position if the price comes up. Oh, it starts going down again. If the price starts going up a bit, I'm going to add some more sell orders. But let's see what's gonna happen. We're now about 400 pounds profits. Let's be patient, and the price going down quite fast. Right, let's see what's happening with the euro dollar. Still staying on the same place. Euro Japanese yen. Yes, as expected, it's falling, and back to US dollar Japanese yen. Okay, we're about 500-600 pounds in profit, and still going. This should be our price target, 91.30, but I believe the price might go much further down, and so we can see a major correction. But depends how greedy you are and what kind of profit you're aiming for. Usually now, if I see the price coming about the 91.47 level, which is about 10 points higher, I would add another short position. Although it's not a bad profit for the time being. I believe the price doesn't have a major reason for turning back. Not for now. See what the other currency pairs are doing. There's some choppy markets. Dow Jones, we see some choppiness as well. So let's come back to the US dollar Japanese yen. Back to profits. I would like to see this pair coming up a bit, so we can add another position, because pretty much the price has more room to fall, but it's quite quick, so it's not taking its time. It's going to go faster than expected. Excuse me. Okay guys, sometimes it's really important to have predefined targets, but in other times you might expect the price to fall quite a lot. So targets, I mean, you should run profits, you should let profits run. So usually targets are very good and essential for choppy markets, but when you have fast moving markets, and at the same time you're expecting a major move, you can just let the profits run. Still all depends on the price action. As you know, I'm just using price action. I'm not using any indicators, although you can see the relative strength indicator below. It's just there by default, and all I'm using and looking at are price charts. This might be a major reversal here, because you see all this. First of all, this is the daily chart of US dollar Japanese yen. The price opened up with a big gap and then closed all of these buyers here, and now we've got a continuation of our selling pressure. So let's come back to the 5-minute time frame and see whether I can and when I can add some more sell orders. I believe if the price reaches to 646, 46, yep, I'm going to add another order. Just gonna get it ready. So we are waiting for the price to come up to the level of 46. Okay, great. The buyers are losing steam right now. It's mostly just profit taking. Otherwise, you would have seen a stronger buying demand and a bigger green candle. Let's see how far we can go and whether the price is going to let us enter again. The method I'm using, guys, it's quite simple, and at the same time it's quite straightforward, but gives you the scope and the ability to be thinking about what is happening on the markets instead of concentrating on indicators and looking at moving averages. It's just price action, and all these sellers here, I'm looking for somewhere midpoint or even a bit below if the selling pressure is quite strong, so I can add another position, because I know that most of the sellers won't let the price go higher than around midpoints or this level here. If the price goes above this level, it means that the major opinion and the major trend has changed. So we might be adding some more. We might be reversing direction if we see a close above the midpoint of this selling rally. If it's a true downtrend and a continuation of the previous downtrend, we're not going to see the price going a lot higher. That's why it's quite critical that I had my position around this level. Okay, so I can sell right now. I want to place my stop. My level was touched, so I want to place my stop at, let's say, 57, 91, 57, 240 pounds maximum loss. Let's be a bit more patient and see what is going to happen with the price. It starts to reverse slowly. Okay guys, we're in profit from our second position right now, because when you're doing spread betting, you have this spread and commission that you're paying, and you're always starting on minus anyways. So that's why I recommend it. If you have the ability, you'll be trading futures, but it always has its own pluses and minuses. So let's see. Let's not get distracted from the price action and see where it's going to lead us. Okay. Let's see what's happening with the euro dollar. It starts rising and brings some cautiousness. Since both pairs are moving in positive correlation, it is quite possible that we might see a reverse. Let's see what's going to happen in the next few minutes and decide whether to take our profits. Just get it ready to close it in case we see something not expected. Usually it should be moving in correlation with, in positive correlation with the euro dollar. That's the Japanese yen, the US dollar, Japanese yen, euro, US dollar. But let's see. Okay. What you can expect here. Just going to put my stop I'm going to put my both stops on the level of 91.50 and see what's gonna be my loss or profit. 50, that's 88 pounds loss, and 50, that's 294 pounds profit. So it means that's the maximum I can make if the price turns and reaches this level of 91.50 is 200 pounds. So as long as I'm in the money right now, I don't mind to just wait and see whether my targets, my stop will be lost, will be hit, or the price is going to continue falling further down. Since the chances that it continues going further down are quite big, that then I don't want to just close my position right now. I want to see and use objective targets and stops, so I know whether I'm right or wrong, and the price action confirms it. I'm not leaving anything on just circumstances, and my own opinion, because many times traders are just wrong about the market. So I'm leaving the market to decide whether to take my profits or just to give me more. Let's see, guys. It appears that the price is turning down lower. We're only making £700. How further down it can go? That is the question. Nobody can answer this question objectively, but we can just try to see. And we've got our stop on this level right there, 91.15. Looks quite good so far, so I believe that the price is going to continue falling, but let's leave this order on and see what's going to happen. Coming back to the euro dollar, nothing really spectacular is happening here, guys. It was quite choppy day today. Get a trade here, made about £1,100, and then the price just reversed. More sellers came in and reversed the price, so nothing special. Okay, I'm gonna close my positions. Take £430, 469. Let's just wait one more minute. Probably I might be wrong. Just gonna get ready to close all my positions if I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, the price should shoot up quite quickly to the upside, which pretty much is starting to happen right now, or no, we'll see. Sorry for me not talking that much, but when I'm trading I'm usually thinking quite a lot, so I'm really concentrated right now. Okay guys, I'm taking profits. 444. The price didn't want to go much further down, and I believe that if it's not going If it's not going fast enough in such a big in such a fast fashion move, it will reverse direction. So I might be wrong, I might be right, but I like to sometimes just take my profits. As you can see, probably I'm wrong. The price is in a correction mode, so you just take my profit, and you can always come back to the trade if you see that you are wrong. Thank you very much and have a good day.